Watch as we transform plain steel into stunning window grills in this metalworking masterclass. In this video, we take you step by step through the intricate process of creating durable and stylish steel window grills that will enhance your home's security while boosting its aesthetic appeal. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or an aspiring metal worker, you're gaining valuable techniques and tips on cutting, bending, and assembling metal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing metalworking content. Let's make those windows not only secure, but also a work of art